Good morning, children. Open your new Sparkle semester series, Junior KG Semester 1 book. Page number 31. Yesterday, what we have learned? We have learned one and more than one. One more than one. Okay, so let's read. Once again, we will do the revision. One bat, two bats. One bat, two bats. Example, one hat, two hats. One hat, two hats. One book, five books. One book, five books. One cow, three cows. One cow, three cows. Dog, dogs. Pen, pens. Doll, dolls. Cat, cats. Girl, girls. Nerd, nerds. Boy, boys. Bird, birds. Kite, kites. Have you followed, children? And we have seen the singular and plural. Boy, boys. Tap, taps. Cow, cows. Pen, pens. Cup, cups. Now see here. B-O-Y, boy. B-O-Y-S, boys. T-A-P, tap. T-A-P-S, taps. C-O-W, cow. C-O-W-S, cows. Pen, P-E-N-S, pens. C-U-P, cup. C-U-P-S, cups. P-E-N, P-E-N-S. Singular is one, plural is more than one. एक से ज़्यादा. Boy, boys. Boy, boys in this way. Now this I given you for homework. H-A-T, hat. यहाँ पे तुम्हें लिखना है. Last time I have given you H-A-T-S, hats. Dog, D-O-G, dog. D-O-G-S, dogs. P-O-T, pot. तुम्हें है वैसा ही लिखना है. P-O-T, pot. Pot, pots. खाली एस लगाना है तुम्हें. B-A-G, बैग. लिखो यहाँ पे B-A-G, बैग. यहाँ पे एस लगा के तुम्हें लिखना है. एस, बैग्स. P-I-N, पिन. P-I-N-S, pins. P-I-N-S is pins. Have you understood? Yes. Now these are opposites. These are opposites. Opposites ani? These are opposites. Page number 33. Opposites mani ulta. Opposite ani ulta. Opposite ani ulta. देखो. These are opposites. A fat girl, a thin girl. Fat, thin. Big, small. Big, small. White जब तुम पहनते हो, black. White, black. Okay? After that, long stick, short stick. Long, short. Tall, short. Tall, short. उसके बाद a young man and old man. Young, old. Opposites बोल रही हूँ मैं तुम्हें. Opposites यानी उल्टा. Okay. Hot drink, cold drink. Rich woman, poor woman. Rich, poor. Rich, poor. इस तरह से तुम्हें opposites बताती हूँ. देखो, a fat girl, she is a fat girl. कितनी मोटी है देखो ये. मोटी फैट आने से क्या होता है? पतला आता है. ओके. a thin girl, दुबली गर्ल. a fat girl, a thin girl. a big house, a small house. a big house, a small house. a big house, a small house. Now, a white color pant, a white pant, a white pant, a white pant, a black pant, a black pant. और तुम्हें स्पेलिंग के साथ पढ़ के लिखना है. स्पेलिंग के साथ पढ़ के लिखना है. a long stick, a long stick, a long stick, a short stick, a short stick, a short stick, a short stick. Okay. a tall tree, a tall tree, a short tree. जो टॉल होता है वो शॉर्ट होता है। देखो डिफरेंस देखो, ये बड़ा है ना टॉल, टॉल यानी जो ऊंचा, शॉर्ट यानी छोटा, टॉल शॉर्ट। अ यंग मैन, ए यंग मैन, ए यंग मैन, an old man, an old man, an old man, a young man, an old woman, an old woman, a hot drink, 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 a cold drink, a cold drink, hot, cold, hot, cold, hot, cold, a rich woman, a rich woman, a rich woman, a poor woman, a poor woman, a rich woman, a poor woman, a rich woman, a poor woman, a rich woman, a poor woman. So in this way what you have to do is the opposites तुम्हें बताया है, opposites. In this way you have to learn the opposites. A fat girl, A F A T fat, G I R L girl, A T H I N thin, G I R L girl. एक बार तुम्हें इधर गर्ल मालूम हो गया तो ये तुम्हें पट से आ जाएगा। A fat girl, A thin girl, A big house, here A B I G big, H O U S E house, A S M A double L small, H O U S E है ना, हाँ H O U S E house, very good. A white pant, A W H I T E white, P A N T pant, P A N T pant, A B L A C K black, P A N T pant, A black pant. A long stick, A L O N G long, S T I C K stick, A long stick, A S H O R T short, S H O R T short, S T I C K stick, S T I C K stick. A tall tree, A tall T A double L, tall T R double E, tree. A tall tree, a short tree, a tall tree, a short S H O R T short, T R double E tree. A young man, A Y O U N G young, M A N man, A N O L D old, M A N man, M A N man. A hot drink, A H O T hot, D R I N K drink, A H O T hot, D R I N K drink, A C O L D cold, D R I N K drink, a cold drink. A rich woman, A R I C H rich, W O M A N woman, a rich woman, W O M A N, W O M A N. A P O O R poor woman, W O M A N, W O M A N woman. A poor woman, a rich woman, a poor woman, a poor woman. In this way you have to learn by heart. Okay, have you understood how to say and how to learn by heart? Okay. Now I will take one rhymes for you. Finger rhymes is completed. Okay, now I will teach you one new rhyme, that is 10 little fireman. Fireman किसको बोलते हैं? जो पानी के गाड़ियों में जब कहाँ पे आग लगती है, पानी की गाड़ी वहाँ पे जाती है, उनको फायरमैन बोलते हैं, फायरमैन. तो हम लेट्स रीड. ओके, लेट्स read. Okay, before we go to the rhymes, what you have to do is you have to learn by heart all this. Okay, you have to learn by heart. These are opposites. A fat girl, a thing like that. Okay. Then we will come to the. Okay. 10 little firemen. 10 little firemen sleeping in a row. Ding dong goes the bell. In a wink they go. Off to the engine. Ho ho ho. Using the big pipe. So so so. When the fire is out, home they go. Back to bed. All in a row. All in a row. इसको हम अब rhythm में बोलेंगे. We will sing in a proper tone. Okay. Say 10 little firemen. 10 little firemen sleeping in a row. 10 little firemen sleeping in a row. Ding dong goes the bell, in a wink they go. Ding dong goes the bell, in a wink they go. Off to the engine, off to the engine, ho ho ho. Using the big pipe, so so so. When the fire is out, home they go. Back to bed, all in a row. 10 little firemen, 10 little firemen sleeping in a row. Ding dong goes the bell, in a wink they go. Off to the engine, off to the engine, ho ho ho, ho ho ho. Using the big pipe, so so so, so so so. When the fire is out, when the fire is out, home they go. Back to bed, all in a row. 10 little firemen, 10 little firemen sleeping in a row. Ding dong goes the bell, in a wink they go. Off to the engine, ho ho ho. Using the big pipe, so so so. When the fire is out, home they go. Back to bed, all in a row. Back to bed, all in a row. Have you understood? Yes. Bells. One more we will see, that is bells. Let's ring the. No, only one is enough. Only one is enough. That is 10 little firemen. You have to learn by heart. This next time I'll take. It will be load for you again to by heart. Okay, children? Yes, 10 little firemen you by heart and read what I have taught you today. Yes, opposites. What I have taught you today? That is, these are opposites. Okay, this you have to learn by heart. Learn with spelling. With this, we will meet in the next video. Thank you and take care, children.